Imagine earning a high salary, driving a great car, living in a beautiful home, enjoying expensive vacations. From the outside, it looks like success. But here's the uncomfortable truth. Millions of highly paid professionals quietly live under financial pressure. Despite earning more than ever, many are just one job loss, one medical emergency, or one bad decision away from serious trouble. At the same time, some people earn far less, yet steadily build wealth, financial security, and peace of mind. Hello and welcome to the CFO Desk. So here's the real question. Why do some people earn more, yet struggle financially, while others earn less, yet build lasting wealth? The answer is rarely luck. It comes down to financial habits and decisions. Today at the CFO Desk, we'll discuss 5 financial mistakes that trap many professionals in a cycle of earning more, but never becoming truly financially secure. Avoid these early, and the impact over 10 to 20 years can be life-changing. Let's begin. Mistake 1, the silent wealth killer, lifestyle inflation. Your salary goes up, your lifestyle follows, and without realizing it, your wealth disappears. Lifestyle inflation is the silent wealth killer. Promotions often lead to bigger cars, larger homes, expensive vacations, and premium gadgets. At first, it feels like a reward for hard work. But when expenses grow as fast as income, your financial position never improves. Many high earners remain living paycheck to paycheck despite 6-figure salaries. The secret is simple. Increase savings and investments first. Let lifestyle grow slowly. Mistake 2, the costly habit of waiting. Many postpone investing, waiting for the perfect time or higher income. But in finance, waiting is costly. Compounding allows money to earn returns, and those returns earn returns. Over time, this creates exponential growth, but only with time. Every year of delay is lost growth. Someone who starts at 25 often builds far more wealth than someone starting at 40, even if the second person invests more. Remember, the best time to start was years ago. The second best time is today. Mistake 3, the single income trap. Imagine a table with only one leg. How stable would it be? Many professionals rely entirely on their salary, which is risky. Jobs aren't guaranteed, industries change, companies restructure, life throws curveballs. Financially resilient individuals develop multiple streams of income: investments, dividends, rental income, consulting, or side projects. Small at first, these streams build strength, stability, and flexibility. Mistake 4, ignoring the safety net. Life rarely follows a predictable plan. Medical emergencies, job loss, or family crises strike without warning. Without an emergency fund, even minor shocks force reliance on credit cards, loans, or borrowing, creating stress and long-term pressure. Build a liquid emergency fund covering 3 to 6 months of expenses. It may not feel exciting, but in a crisis, it's one of your most powerful financial tools. Mistake 5, the knowledge gap that costs millions. Many professionals master technical skills. Engineers mastering engineering, doctors mastering medicine, managers mastering leadership. Yet few understand how money works. Personal finance, investing, and risk management are rarely taught but essential for wealth. The good news, financial education is widely accessible. Books, podcasts, and online courses can transform your financial future. Even a few hours a month spent learning creates better decisions and long-term wealth. Recap and conclusion. Avoid lifestyle inflation, start investing early, develop multiple income streams, build an emergency fund, continuously improve your financial knowledge. Wealth isn't about sudden luck. It's about discipline, smart decisions, and long-term thinking. Small habits today can create extraordinary financial freedom tomorrow. At the CFO Desk, we help you make smart decisions, master your money, and achieve lasting success. If this video was valuable, subscribe for more insights on finance, leadership, and growth. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.